Are you a fashion stylist or style content creator with tons of wardrobe tips, but no app to reach your audience? What if you could turn your outfit tutorials, wardrobe guides, and style inspiration into a sleek mobile app in just a few hours, without writing a single line of code? Let's show you how we built this fully functional fashion styling app using Stitch by Google, Bravo Studio, and a few powerful integrations. We prompted Stitch to generate a clean, modern design for a fashion and wardrobe app. It includes a welcome screen, a login page, a video style library, and a featured section for seasonal outfit guides, closet organization, and daily styling tips. Once the design felt right, we exported it to Figma. Here, we made visual tweaks, refined typography, adjusted spacing, and applied a stylish palette with bold accents that reflect the elegance of the fashion world. Using the Bravo Studio Figma plugin, we applied Bravo tags to key screens like the login page. This tells Bravo exactly how to transform those screens into real, working app functionality. We then connected the screens using Figma prototyping to map out the full user journey, from onboarding to browsing outfit tutorials and style guides. We also created a custom app icon to give the app a polished, professional presence on users' devices. Now it's time to bring the design to life inside Bravo Studio. Bravo instantly converts your Figma file into a real iOS and Android mobile app. No code, just copy, paste, and go. You can preview your app immediately using the Bravo Vision app. To deliver your fashion tutorials and wardrobe tips, we embedded a custom video player using Bravo's WebView tag. This player connects to your hosted videos or YouTube/Vimeo content, so your users can style and learn with you anytime, anywhere, directly inside the app. Next, we set up secure login using Kinde, integrated via Bravo's external OAuth snippet and a Xano backend. This ensures that only authenticated or paying users can access your premium style content. We used Bravo's Xano snippet to manage user accounts, saved outfits, lookbooks, and other backend data, without writing a single line of backend code. Want to monetize your app? Add RevenueCat or Kinde billing, and you're ready to offer subscriptions, premium outfit collections, or exclusive style drops. And that's it. In just a few steps, we built a fully functional fashion styling and wardrobe app with no code, ready to grow your brand, engage your audience, and turn your styling expertise into a mobile experience. Whether you're a personal stylist, fashion blogger, or content creator, Bravo Studio is the fastest way to bring your fashion brand to mobile. Enjoy building with Bravo Studio.